Alright, what is up guys? My name is Tommaso. It's good to see you all again. So I decided to make a video addressing questions people had over the Mewing ring and just basically discuss it again and what's its use, right? So just for those who don't know, this is the Mewing ring. It's the medical grade silicone rubber thing that you put on your tongue, and then it goes between your palate and your tongue, and it allows you to feel if your tongue's properly against the roof of your mouth, and it also helps with suction of your tongue against your upper palate. So I got a lot of people saying that, instead of using the Mewing ring, you can just use gum to feel if your palate's against the roof of the mouth. So just have gum squashed between your tongue and the palate. You could use gum as well, although it's much less effective for the purpose of what the Mewing ring does, to feel your tongue against your palate. In fact, I'd just rather use nothing at all instead of gum. Gum would actually hinder what you're trying to do in that sense, so I'd rather use nothing than use gum for that. And the Mewing ring should be used as a tool that you sometimes use to feel your tongue engage and help it engage against your upper palate, and that's what it was designed for. Gives a really nice suction to the tongue, so it glues onto the roof of your mouth. The Mewing ring is a useful tool. If you want to get it, you can click the link below. It's up to you guys. It's just a tool that you can use to help you with your mewing and learning how to mew properly. So yeah, I just want to update you guys on that. I grew my beard. Some of you may not like it. But why not, just for fun sometimes. I'm gonna probably shave it down soon, but yeah, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys next time.